All right, hello everybody. My name is Joe Hollis. I hadn't mentioned bloodroot yet. Sanguinaria Canadensis. I'm not going to dig this one up. I suppose I could. It's right there on the edge of the path. Bloodroot's another one that's getting over-harvested badly. It's all going to Europe for them to put into animal food. The Europeans are a bit smarter than us about overuse of antibiotics. I think everybody's aware at this point that almost all of our antibiotics are useless because we've saturated the environment with them, because we put them into cattle feed. And the reason we do that is not because we're worried about the cattle getting sick from standing around and shit all day. It's that they gain more weight. So you get a better ratio of how much feed you're giving to how much weight the animal is getting with the antibiotics. I can't remember. I used to understand why, but in any case, in Europe they don't put antibiotics in their animal feed anymore, and they found that bloodroot works. So our bloodroot is flying out of the woods. This can also be divided. Indians use it also as a dye. It's been put in toothpaste. It's very good for anti-plaque kind of thing, or gum disease and so on. It's going to make seeds. They're typically Memorial Days when these pop open, and you can't open them up any sooner. The day before they're ready, they're not ready. And then they will be carried off, hopefully by ants who want to eat this little bit that's attached to the seed. And if they do that, the germination is about 80%. But if you just collect the seeds and try and plant them, your germination is going to be about 20%. And there's another spring ephemeral. If the conditions are right, sometimes it'll stick around for the summer, but oftentimes once the seeds are ripened, it'll just disappear. Beautiful spring wildflower. It's one of the first things to bloom in the spring.